Hi friends, we'll learn about frame. By using frame, we can control a group of widgets in a Tkinter window. And you can see here one frame we have used to hold the image, then some components also we have placed, and we can manage it also by deleting, and we can restore the bottom frame also. And when in focus, it changes its border color. We'll learn all about this. This is our basic window. Width 400 and height is 200, and my underscore w I declared it as my root window. So into this we'll add our frame. So frame top, because subsequently we'll go for frame body, frame bottom, all this thing. So I am saying tk dot frame, and my parent window is my underscore w. I am giving width of 390. Width equal to 390 because 400 is my parent window width. I want to draw a border around it. So height equal to, again let's give 180. Now I will just add now. What I will do, a highlight background. Highlight background equal to, I can use directly red because this is my border color. And what should be my border thickness? Highlight thickness equal to, let's say 5. Now I will place it on my layout manager. This time I am using pack layout. So frame top, you can use grid also. Pack, subsequently we will go for grid layout also. I am saying that expand is equal to true. Why I am saying expand equal to true is because this will take all the available space, whatever it will expand, because there is no widgets inside this frame. I am not adding that. So that is why I have given expand true. So I just saved this on, now running it. Let's see. Yeah, you can see the red border around the this is the frame which having a red color border of thickness 5. Let's shift to grid layout and add one image to our frame. So we'll learn that also. Here I will just change this one. I will say frame top. Now frame top I am giving a grid now. Grid I am saying row equal to 0. First top I am it's a top frame, so column equal to 0, and slightly pad x. I can use a pad x, so it is not flushed with the left edge. So I am giving pad x equal to 5 and pad y. So it is not flushed with the top edge. So pad y equal to 5 also. And ipad y I am giving because it's the gap between the border and the image. So ipad y equal to 5 also. So this is all about the grid layout whatever I have. Now I will say that where is my image? I am giving the path to my image. I am declaring it my image equal to tk dot photo image. It is there. And where is my file? In your case you can use a different file. I am giving a path where my file is located. So top2.png, it's a PNG file. Suppose if you are using a JPG file, then you have to use PIL library, Python for image library. So that you have to use. That is there in the description. You will find all the details of source code and everything. So you will find it there. Now my image is ready. Now I will create a label L2. Label 2 I am giving. So at the top I will use something else. Sorry, tk dot label. Now this is where I am using. I am not using my parent window. I am using my frame because frame is a container. So I am putting it inside the frame and then I am going to use it. So here I will give frame top because frame top is my parent of this particular. So where this will be placed. Now image equal to now my underscore image. Now that is created L2. Now L2 dot grid. I will press it. Where I am pressing, because this is the first element within the frame. So I am giving row equal to 0. It is not related to the parent window. So think of it itself as a independent. So I am saying row equal to 0. Column equal to again 0, and whatever pad x, say it is the pad x for the image, not for the frame. Pad x equal to 5. Pad y equal to 5. Let me give that. That's all. So note that this L2, wherever I am using a label placing the image, and that label I am placing in the frame, not in the parent window. So let's just save this and run once and see how the output. Here is the, see, this is the image. This is the border we have given, maintained that border because we want to know where the frame is. So for that we have already highlight thickness and the highlight background red we have used. Say, and we have used, this time we have gone for grid layout. Say you want to extend it, then that concept of, you have to use the concept of row configure and column configure. You want to if you want to expand this frame to full width. So now next we have seen how we have added border and image. We'll go further. We'll go for background color now. So here I am saying background, I am giving yellow, and okay, it's a continuation, so I had to leave a comma. Next line is here. I'm just, it's a line break here. I will just give a tab here so you can understand. Now let's remove this image, and in this I will not use a image here. I will put text. I will say whatever you want yellow background. Now we have red border also. So let's just, some text I have written here, and L2, now background is yellow. Let's just save this and see how this looks. You can see yellow background and the red border. So you can see this. You just see the background color I have changed to yellow. Here it is. You can see. We'll learn how we will add multiple widgets to our frame. Here it is, already we have seen how we have placed the image. At the top frame we have placed the image, and one more frame we have created, that is the frame body, and in that also we have slightly given the background, and now we'll add few more items to this particular one. So let's just go there and add it. So I am just let me come here. Okay, so I'll add L3. I'm saying a label 3, so I'll say tk dot label. Now where I am adding to the frame body. So I am saying frame body because this is the middle frame what I am writing. Now in the text I will write it as name. Whatever you want to write, you can write it. Text equal to here name. Slightly bigger font I am giving, size is 16. So I will place it now. So I will say L3 dot grid. I am using grid. Now the grid layout is based on the frame, not on the parent window. So I am saying row 0. Inside the frame it is the first element. So I am giving it as row 0. Column equal to 0 again, and slightly pad x equal to 10 and pad y equal to 10. So slightly it's not flushed with the left edge, and from the gap bottom also and top also maintaining pad y. Now inside that also let's put a entry box. So I am giving t1 tk dot entry. Now where it is again, it is inside the frame body, not in the main parent window. So I am saying that, sorry, here it's a entry only. So I have to give some width equal to 20, width 20, and let me just give font equal to 16. Now let me just place it on the grid again, t1 dot grid. Now this is because, see, this is within the frame, so I am maintaining row equal to 0 along with the label at the top L3 whatever, and column is equal to 1. Why column 1? Because it is the right of the label, so I am giving a column equal to 1. That's all. Now let me just put a button also, B1. It will not add any event to it, but we'll say it B1 tk dot button. Now we'll say frame body. I am giving some text also, saying it submit. Anything you can write it. Then font equal to, let's give a 20, and slightly FG means foreground. The font color will give as blue. You can give anything on that. So now let me press it on the grid. So I am saying grid. Now all these are inside the frame. Row equal to 2. Why 2? Because already we have row 1 already, sorry, row equal to 1, because row 0 already we have placed this 2. This will be below that. So row equal to 1, and column, whatever you can give it. If you want to right side, it's column equal to 1. then slightly pad x equal to 10 and pad y equal to 10. What happens? Sorry, here pad y equal to 10. Now this is within the you can say the frame only, because everywhere you can see I am using the parent window thing. Now let us put another button which is outside the frame body. So I will say b2 equal to tk dot button. Now here I am using parent window as my, so it will be it is not connected to the frame. So I am telling text equal to, so delete. Now I'll say font equal to 20. Now fg or foreground, sorry, fg equal to red. Now then I have completed. Then if I have, I will add the command also. So let's not go for that. Now I will just press it in the grid, then we will see once. Grid. Now here the row equal to 2. Why I am giving 2 b's? Because the frame, you can see the body of the top body frame is in that row 1. So I am giving below that. So row 2. It is in the parent window, the grid is. Column equal to 0. And slightly pad x equal to 10 and pad y equal to 10. Okay, let's just run this and see how this looks. Label, okay, label, somewhere I did a mistake, where it is BEL. Let's save it, running again. Here it is. You can see this. This is the layout. Now another button and bottom one label will be. Now you can see this multiple, the name, the label, the when I am selecting it, because I have put the, here you can see highlight color, highlight thickness, all this frame I have given the highlight thickness, light blue, and highlight background, light green, all this I have given, so it is changing. If I'll press the tab, move out, again it is green, again it is coming. So we'll add little more features to this. We'll just copy the code. This is the full code. You can download the entire code and copy it and try it on your own. And you can see here the button, we have connected the grid forget. So we can remove a frame totally. So frame button, we have added it here. Here you can see the frame button. Inside that one label is there. So that we are grid forget we are using to remove that label. And again we are restoring it. Right? If you are using pack layout, then you can see pack forget also. Now let's just run this and see how this works. So here it is. You can see here I can delete this also. I can restore it. I can again delete it. I can restore it. This frame I am deleting and restoring again. So like that, this is all about frames, and there are many more features you can add it and experiment with that. Copy the source codes here, and if you have any doubt how these layouts are designed and all, you just use the comment section below, and I will request you please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, so you'll be notified as and when we post the new videos. We frequently do that also. Please share these videos with your friends and request them to subscribe also. And if you have any ideas, suggestions, questions, some feedbacks, use the comment section below to post your details and whatever your doubts and everything you have. And thank you for watching.